First of all, we have set up a monitoring task including different monitoring modes for each one of the inputs in our 8-input PROWATCH Neo 2. Inputs 1, 2, and 3 are being used to monitor the terrestrial, VHF, UHF, and 4G bands, respectively, under min-max monitoring mode, looking for any spurious or permanent interferences that may happen within those bands. To do that, we have deactivated the min threshold and only switched on the max threshold. Finally, inputs 4 to 8 are used to monitor specific DVB-T channels under the mask deviation mode, ensuring that they do not drop below or surpass their assigned lower and upper RF masks. Once we launch this monitoring task, we can select to visualize all these inputs under different virtual screen formats, one of them allowing 8 screens simultaneously. This facilitates an easy and quick supervision of all inputs at once. Again, when an alarm goes off, it is shown below. The historical monitoring area will let us extract the raw data for any given time frame for any of the monitored inputs. And by clicking on the alarm, we can move to the area where the corresponding spectrum traces are displayed so that we can easily identify the event resulting from that alarm warning.